everyone, it's Vicky here from Crafty Heaven and thank you very much for joining me today. And today I have a round the shops craft tour to share with you. So the first shop I'm going to show you is Indigoblu. So a couple of times a year they have an open day at their warehouse and it's only about 20 minutes down the road from me, so I always love to go. So I only picked up a few items this time. So the first one is their ultra clear tape, which is red tape, and you get 16 rolls for originally £20, but it'd been reduced to £9, so I grabbed it quick. You get different widths of tape. I actually got this last time I went and I think I paid the full price, so I'd wish I'd picked up two now, but never mind. So I picked up that first. The second thing is I managed to get hold of their super thick slap it on. Last time I wanted this when I went to their open day, but they didn't have it in stock. So I ended up getting the white slap it on, and you use this for stenciling and creating texture. You could try adding paint, pigments, glitter or microbeads for a fabulous effect. This gorgeous unicorn sparkles glitter, and the sparkle on that is absolutely gorgeous. So that's Indigoblu. The next shop is Amazon. So if you watch Lou Collins, she always uses these to give like a faux stitched look onto her cardstock, and I think these were £2.99 for a pack of 2. So if I grab a piece of card, I will show you what it does. Okay, so I'm actually going to get my stamping tool because it's got this sponge foam on the back. So what you do is you lay that on there, okay, and you just basically go around the edge, just run it across your cardstock. Obviously you'll do a better job than I am, but I'm giving you just a quick demo. And then you would grab a pen and you would just go over where you've just gone with your tool, and it gives you the look as if you've ran it through your sewing machine. So can you see that? So it gives it a faux stitch look basically, and I think it's absolutely brilliant. And you know, if you can't be bothered to go over to your sewing machine, then you can just use this tool, and how cool is that? So like I said, Amazon, £2.99 for the pack of 2. So I picked up that. The next shop I went to was The Range. So I picked up some ribbon, and I think it was 69p for a roll, and on each roll you get 15 meters, and this is lilac. This one's just called blue, another one called blue, but as you can see it's a dark blue and a pale blue. Then I got wine color and then white. So these were 69p each. They had some other colours as well, which I think I might go back and get. Then I picked up the Crafty Club A4 silver card, 210 GSM, and you get 20 sheets. And I think this was £1.30 or even £1. I've got the gold one in this, so I didn't have any silver, so I picked up that. The next thing I got was some card bases. So I got the Craft UK Limited 5x7. You get the cards and envelopes, and it's 250 GSM. I'm not sure how many you get in there, but this was originally £4.99 and it was reduced to £2.99. So I picked up that, and I also picked up the 7x7 as well, but I haven't got that on to hand, so I got them. Then I picked up a metal ruler, and this is by Art Studio because I don't have a metal ruler for when I want to use my craft knife. So I got that. I also got some Art Studio craft knife spare blades. And then I picked up these pens here. So I actually got these for my Cricut. Well, actually the bronze one was 69p, I think it was. And then these ones were 129 each. And you would find them in the art section. And let me tell you, these are beautiful. So I use these on my Cricut to obviously draw out a design, and the colour of them is perfect. Some of the, you know, gel pens can be a bit rubbish, but these are beautiful. And yeah, absolutely love them. I'll insert a card here using the gold one, and you can see how beautiful that turned out. So yeah, I picked up them. So that's the range. The next shop is CraftStash. So they had a sale on for the Sheena Treasures of the Deep collection. I didn't get everything, I only just got these ones, and I can't remember if it was a 50% off or 60% off. Might have been even more, I can't remember, but I did have my 10% discount for my VIP discount as well, so I got them a bit cheaper. And I actually got these to go with Under the Sea collection by Made to Surprise, so then I could have extra elements to add with that collection. So the first one I got was Alright Treasure, I think, and you get the A5 stamp set and the coordinating dies. So we have You Alright Treasure, Priceless, and then we've got the big treasure box and the keys and things like that. So I actually mostly got this for the treasure box because I thought that was quite cool. Then the next stamp set and die I got was the shells die, and again A5 stamp set and matching dies, and I mostly got it for the seaweed here, so I don't have a seaweed stamp or die. And this says just because, salt water and seashells, friends are like seashells, you collect them along the way. That one's really pretty, that one's really nice. And may the world be your oyster and you're a star. So love that. And then I got this stencil. Now this is bigger than I expected. I didn't read the measurements, so that was my bad, but I still love it. So I got this shipwreck here, and it's got the anchor, and it's obviously a stencil, and wouldn't that make a perfect background? Yeah, so love that. So that's CraftStash. The next one is Boys, and I just picked up their A4 white cardstock. You get 50 sheets and it's 210 GSM, and I think this was £2-3, something like that. And I just wanted to give it a go and see what that one's like. So I picked up that. And finally, I went to a charity shop. So if you follow Sam Calcott YouTube, and she gets these from Amazon, I think she gets the bigger boxes, and she stores her ephemera and die cuts in there, and I thought that was a brilliant idea. But then when I went on Amazon, it can be quite expensive for these tubs. I think these ones alone are about £15, and the bigger one that Sam has is more. I think it's more in the 20s. So I've been put off buying them, even though I really wanted them. So then I went in the charity shop, and I actually found two of these, £5 each. So I grabbed them quick, and oh, I absolutely love them, and I was dead chuffed when I saw these. So as you can see, it's got this plastic tub, and inside, I think these are for storing photos. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 little boxes inside, and this is how big they are. So as you can see, I have got some stickers and ephemera pieces, and then I've just cut out the label that come in on the packaging and stuck that on there so I know what is what. So that's the first one. As you can see, I've still got some spare. And then the second one is the same, obviously, but this one is full. And again, I've just cut out the labels and stuck them on. So let's have a look. So I've got my die cuts in this one that I've cut out. And then I've got the ephemera in this one. So there we go. How cool is that? And like I said, I was dead chuffed when I found these in the charity shop. So there we go, guys. That is my haul from different craft shops. As always, if I can, I will leave the links in the description bar below of these products. If they're not listed below, it means I can't find them. But yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if so, give it a big thumbs up. Please continue to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button. Till next time, guys, take care, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye for now.